In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Then next is click on campaigns in the left panel. Now this is where you'll see all your email campaigns including drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. Now from here, find the campaign you want to remove, then tick the box beside it. Then next is click on the delete button. MailChimp will then ask you to confirm the action before permanently removing the campaign, but keep in mind that deleted campaigns can't be recovered, so make sure that you no longer need the campaign data or reports before deleting it. To proceed, press the delete button, and just by that, we have now deleted that campaign. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!